Buyers gaining some support here, triggering above the last bull bar, 1050. Would like to see if they can get an inside pullback into the 950s for the bulls. All right, jumping out on the S&P. Didn't have time to get the order in. When I right-clicked, it wasn't the right wording, so it confused me for a minute. It's just time to hit the close button. Nice little scalp on the S&P. Oh, man. Modifying the first objective on the Dow just a little bit further to a 1-to-1 actual. Oh my goodness, I got a terrible fill on that. One tick further off. All right. 550. Either way, we got the trap above the highs. Tested the second entry point, but I didn't get a fill, which makes sense considering that I just had to move my entry there. All right, target taken out. Nice little sweep there. Bit of a funky fill, but oh well, made it work.